Well, Friday morning, we decided to go over to the Reno Hot August Nights Swap Meet at the Livestock Center. And over there, they had quite a few old cars and trucks, similar to this one here. We heard a pretty good rumble out there, and here come Paul, 57 Chevy. Two-door post with a blown 502 in it.
You're good.
He's my cousin from Oregon. He was down
You're
for
good.
Hot August Nights and came over to swap meet with us to kick tires and look around there. This Winfield head for a Model A engine sold for $450. And there was a 32 Ford Roadster here with a Rem Offy twin overhead cam engine in it. Has a Bell drop axle in the front of it. Super Bell, I guess you'd say. A 32 frame, 32 fiberglass body with red interior, red wheels. But that Rem Offy engine is one of 10. And very few of them have ever ran. Less than a handful. And this car runs out very well. And it has a Mopar 727 automatic behind this B model engine. This engine has main studs, aluminum pistons, pressurized oiling system. I believe it's a dry sump system, Weber carburetors, and a manifold. This car entered the Auburn hill climb and won the event on its first debut, is my understanding of it. Pretty rare car, very rare motor. The car itself is a fiberglass car, but the motor is outstanding and very rare. Has a set of vintage Stewart Warner gauges in it. You can see some old 1954 Bonneville speed trials stickers there. However, that windshield probably came off a car that had gone there, not this car. But overall, cool car. Got an old 64 Cadillac, looks like here, 4-door at the swap meet. And we got looks like a 69 or 70 Mustang Mach 1, Ford Metropolitan, Mustang over there, and a fairly decent crowd. I believe it opened on Thursday. And this here was a Mitchell overdrive gear splitter for a truck. And this 64 Rambler wagon was pretty cool. I think it had an air ride, but I'm not positive on that. But with those American racing wheels on it, it's a super sharp little wagon. This 1975 Ford F-250 iBoy was a one-owner truck. He was asking $12,500 for it, and it had lowered to $10,000 just shortly before I got to it. I emailed a friend, texted a friend, let him know about this truck, but before we could get back to him, it had sold. I think it was a fantastic buy for a very nice original truck with no rust. And I thought this little Dodge swept line short bed was a pretty cool truck. And here's another picture of the old Rambler here. And this IROC C had nice looking paint on it. Pretty nice in car. It did need some work on the interior. This little Chevrolet or GMC pickup with a Holley high ram on it was pretty cool there. And the guy had these SS wheels here with Chevrolet center caps and Ford Mustang. Assuming they must be the same Kelsey Hayes wheels. Little short bed there. This little 32 Ford, I can't remember if he said it was a glass car or if it was a Brookville. However, it was on original Deuce rails that he had pulled out of the desert, him and his dad, many years ago. Nice car. I think he wanted $35,000 for it. And there was a nice set of 15x8 Chevrolet pickup rally wheels and a group of steering wheels there and stuff. And I believe this was a 1959 Plymouth Fury. Yeah, boy, what a set of fins on that car. I really liked it. And this gentleman had a slew of American race wheels. There's what I believe to be an original Swin, but I'm not positive on that. He went $1,200 to the Chevrolet sign. And here's that little 64, I'm going to say, GMC with the Holley High Ram LS motor. And talk about a longboard. Now that's a longboard there. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you would please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage. Thank you.